If you want to making money as a freelancer online, you've come to the correct place. In this video, I will show you 5 ways to make money on Fiverr with almost no skill and experience, as well as retail free tools to assist you do when you get a client. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is one of the most popular internet marketplaces for freelancing services right now. You can find almost any type of service on the platform, from article writing to having someone do prank video for you. But Fiverr is also one of the simplest websites for freelancers to start generating money online. A new Fiverr account allows you to list up to 7 gigs. I hope is that with this list ideas, you'll not only be able to decide on your top tasks to do, but also learn exactly how to make money with no skill and experience in 2022. Here are 5 gigs ideas without required skill and experience. 1. Remove image background. You can use this tool remove.bg, whether you wish to make a transparent images or add a blue background to a photos. Or you can use Canva Pro to make transparent images. 2. YouTube intro or outro. Get your videos off to a terrific start. Clipchamp's free YouTube intro creator allows you to produce professional intros for all of your channel's content. Or you can use Canva online video editor. 3. YouTube thumbnail. You can make YouTube thumbnail with easier and no need any experience. Canva is one for all solutions. You can make eye-catching thumbnail in simple steps. 4. Translator. Yap's translation is super easy. Whether you don't have any skill, you can use Google Translate or Bing for basically. Or try premium platform likely Deeple Translator. 5. Write article. Yaps, another ideas with no skill needed. Writing article you can use Paraphrase online. Or you can writing by yourself by installing Grammarly applications. This will make you feel easy when you're writing some articles. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.